Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more innovative videos and new ideas. In our previous video, we have gone through introduction to cyber security. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. Today's video is all about cyber security using AI and machine learning, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let us see in detail. Artificial intelligence, I will define in short. Artificial intelligence means making computer do things at the moment people can do better. Artificial intelligence is a simulation. Simulation in the sense something that is not real but it making it but it is not real. Something making it real but it is not real. Some predictions are there. So of human intelligence processed by computers. It helps in identifying vulnerabilities, threats and attacks in cyberspace. This is umbrella discipline under which fall machine learning and deep learning, large data set, machine learning algorithm. I will explain in brief about machine learning and deep learning. Consider artificial intelligence as a born baby. Born baby doesn't require to teach mother tongue. It automatically learns from its mother and by listening from the others in mothers. So in the sense artificial intelligence, when it comes, machine learning and deep learning comes it with it automatically. Most artificial intelligence works involves machine learning because intelligent behavior requires considerable knowledge. Machine learning consists of programs developed to access data stored in system and make it more intelligent by studying patterns. There are three types of machine learning algorithm. We will see. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, and the last reinforcement learning. So first of all we will see supervised learning. Supervised learning consists of large data set and large training and labeled data set. The term supervised learning comes from idea that an algorithm is learning from training data set which can be thought of as a teacher. Data can be used to label new sets. Data sets are labeled so that pattern can be detected and used to new sets. I have done a lot of videos on this, but right now I will show one or two. Also I have done a video on predicted face and actual face. Now we will see one video. Here in the sense this is large data set, in the sense where I can see here training is there and large data, angry, disgust and these classes are there, and here we can see this program. If execution is very the program is, the video is taking some time, that's why I only show you important part. Here now here it is showing graph means training data set and this part, and actual predictions are there. These are the predictions, angry, fear. So this is one video about supervised learning. Another I will explain you. I will show the execution. Now this is program supervised learning example. Here data set is there, large data set is there, and here one image is there of person, and some predictions are made about same image. If the image match, I can take the data set and show the pixel difference. So we will see execution of program. This is example of supervised learning, machine learning example. Here yes, image is there and this about that FaceNet. So this one example of supervised learning. Now I will go through another part, that is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, AI algorithm using information that is neither classified nor labeled and allowing algorithm to act on that information without guidance. Now we will see one program on unsupervised learning. Now this is a traffic signal program. I will execute it. So here data sets are there, but they are not arranged, they are randomly placed. So this is the example of unsupervised learning. And the last one is reinforcement learning. In that, the agent learns automatically using feedback without any labeled data. Since there is no labeled data, so the agent is bound to learn by its experience. Now I will show one video about that. Here, hand tracking, it is showing miss it by experience, that showing it is right hand, and then again it is showing left hand. So in this manner we are done with types of machine learning algorithm. So I have successfully done with cyber security using machine learning and artificial intelligence. Remember that I need to address this about the video. Complex cyber attack and threats. Several organizations are implementing artificial intelligence and machine learning based security programs, solution and technologies, so to overcome the cyber security attack. So this is all about cyber security using machine learning and artificial intelligence. Thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching video.